Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and on your screen you see the Panerai Submersible Luna Rossa 44.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
I'm sure you know that Panerai has been teaming up with the Luna Rossa team in the America's Cup and the 36th edition of the America's Cup. The team ended to be on second place, and this is a watch, a special, a limited edition of 1,500 pieces in 2022. Already, of course, orientating towards the next, the 37th America's Cup, and it is likely that it will be in 2024. Since we are taping this video for Watches and Wanderers many days before, you are seeing a prototype. I just want to mention this in case you see something, scratches or whatsoever, that's not a watch as it will be sold. It is a prototype. And let me now give you some essential information about the sizes. The watches at Panerai do all now feature Italian names. So it is already called Submersible Luna Rossa, that's the America's Cup team, and the watch is called 44, and this is in Italian 44, so diameter is 44 millimeters. Thickness of the case is 13.35 millimeters. The case is waterproof up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet. And the so-called lug-to-lug distance, we're always measuring from one lug end to the other lug end, is 54 millimeters. It is a stainless steel case you see here on your screen, A316L stainless steel. And interesting, the crown has a rubber protection or is rubberized. It is very comfortable, feels good when you touch it, and this is new at Panerai. The E-steel versions do also feature this rubberized crown. So if you are now wondering what is E-steel, that's another video you should probably discover on our channel. I am presenting you the E-steel recycled steel submersibles 2022 in a size of 44, also 44. So just in case you haven't seen the video, please go and watch it. So the strap, you see it's a composite of rubber and textile. And you have that red Luna Rossa, and if you are aware of the Italian brand Prada, then you will know that this red stripe is of course used here by Luna Rossa, and Prada is one of the main sponsors of the team. Textile and rubber combination, I'll turn it around. And upside down you read made in Italy. Yep, of course, that should be done in Italy. You can here see made in Italy. Yep. And here once again the red stripe coming from Prada, the fashion house, and here with the indication Luna Rossa, the America's Cup partner. Panerai has teamed up. So as I said, 1,500 pieces. An edition that is only available in boutiques, and I will just go back a little bit to show you 10 past 10. The watch smiles at you. 8 is set, lucky numbers, so you do have the 8, and we can also quickly show here that crown protection, typical Panerai crown protection, and you also see that this is protected, registered trademark, and it was made in the early days to push in the crown. Once you open it, you can manipulate in the different positions, either wind up the watch, set the time, set the date, and if no longer needed, you push, and then you see the crown is being pressed in, and this really seals the case and makes it waterproof. I've mentioned it, 300 meter waterproof before, and yeah, no see-through case back. We do have a solid stainless steel case back, and what's underneath is the Panerai caliber P900, a 4 Hz movement, 28,800 semi-oscillations per hour, and the watch features a power reserve of 3 days or 72 hours. So if you're asking yourself, is the strap tapering? Yes, it is. 24 to 22 millimeters, 24 to 22. And the watch, this watch comes with a second rubber strap in blue. It is then a recycled rubber. And if you want to exchange this yourself, you can do this. There is this quick exchange mechanism Panerai has. You push, you release here. Then you push on this side, and then the pin will slide out, and you will be able to easily, without need of any specific tools, and it's by far no rocket science, you can exchange that strap yourself if you want. So 1,500 pieces, limited edition. The price is 9,500 euro, including VAT. And yeah, that's the special edition 2022. Submersible Luna Rossa team. And yeah, I didn't say that, with that sun-brushed, you see the sun-brushed dial, the blue sun-brushed dial, soleillé, cadran soleillé in French. We are here in Neuchâtel, on the French part of Switzerland, and they would call that a cadran soleillé, as you see it here, nicely reflecting the light. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Your comments are more than welcome as always, and yeah, thanks for being there, and please do not miss all the other videos we have been taping about the Panerai novelties these days. Thanks for watching, and see you back here on WatchAdvisor soon again. Bye.